Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I want to talk about the differences in clear bins versus opaque bins or bins you can't see through. So we're talking more along the lines of basement storage situations and solutions, and also into garage solutions. A lot of people see that beautiful black bin with the yellow top that can be found, at Home Depot and Costco and stuff like that. I agree. I think those bins are absolutely beautiful and stunning. And however, they aren't always the most functional for everyone. What can happen with an opaque bin is things can get thrown in there. They're deep enough where you can put quite a bit of stuff in there and not really know what's inside. Um, if you're having problems with that, where things just kind of get thrown about and disorganized, you can't find what you need, I would recommend switching to clear bins with, the latching tops and then a label. So oftentimes we find that the clear bin with a label is way more functional for people and especially families than the black bin. But again, we have some clients who love the look of the black bin. So in that case, what we do is we label it very specifically, and we also add QR code labels so that they know exactly like what are the contents inside, because you can pull it up on your phone and you can say, oh, in this bin, I have all my swim gear and goggles and things like that. Like goggles might get thrown underneath, you might not see them, but if you kind of have that QR code and you have your labels very specific, then you'll be able to find what's inside. But otherwise, yeah, we love recommending just a clear latching tote. It's simple. We like to get ours at Target. They're fairly inexpensive there and on sale most of the time. And yeah, we love that. So if you're thinking about the type of bin you want to get, really think about the function, and my recommendation is to go clear bin with a label. All right, enjoy that tip, try it out, and we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.